on the way back from getting the new AC charged up. And it does make a loud noise, but it's because everything's right here in the cab with you. But it's blowing nice and cold. You switch to the defroster. It blows out the defroster real good, nice and cold. And I got it turned wide open too. You can turn that down, it don't sound so bad. We'll put it on low, but and even on low, it's still blowing pretty hard. Switch that back to here. That is pretty cool. Finally cooled off outside though, now that I got air conditioning. But that's just because a big storm came through. It's supposed to get back up to almost 100 degrees after the storm finishes passing. But yeah, that sucker's nice. I like it. All right, here it is, running. It's all done, working good. See how hot it is out here right quick. It's about 80 degrees outside right now, which feels like wintertime compared to what it's been. And inside the truck, we're a cool 68 or 70. Thing's got a little give in it, but yeah, it's working great.